Okay, the final question in our pizza problem is, which slice is the better deal? And it also asks you to justify your answer using complete sentences and an explanation of how your work supports your answer. Well, students, you all know how messy my writing is, and I don't have any lines to write on, so I'm not going to actually write out the answer, but let's talk about this. When you're looking at the better deal, usually when people think of better deal, they think of getting more for their money. So the less you can spend for the exact same thing, the better deal it is. You go shopping for a car and you're looking for a particular car and you go to one dealer and they say that car is going to cost you $30,000, and you go down the street and that dealer says, I'm going to sell you the exact same car for $28,000. You're going to say to yourself, you know what, the second car is a better deal. It's the same exact car, but I'm saving $2,000. So the same thing applies to the pizza slices. In this case, though, the pizza slices aren't exactly the same, so it's a little bit harder to compare the two. And that's why we figured out letters A, B, C, and D. Because letter B tells us, hey, slice number 1 is costing you 9.5 cents per square inch. So for 1 square inch in slice number 1, I'll put that down here. So slice number 1, see if I can get that to work now. Slice number 1, for 1 square inch, so put 1 inch on every side, 1 inch here, and there's 1 inch here. It's costing us 9.5 cents. But if we take a look at slice number 2, for the exact same amount of pizza, 1 square inch, 1 inch on the side, 1 inch on the bottom, it's costing us 7.0 cents. So in this case, when we're looking at what's the better deal, we can say, well, slice number 2 is only costing us 7 cents for a square inch. Slice number 1 is costing us much more. It's 9.5 cents. So looking at these two slices, the logical answer would be that slice number 2 is the better deal because it's costing us less for the same exact amount of pizza. So when you write out your answer here, when it says justify your answer using complete sentences, what we're asking you to do is to describe why do you say that slice number 2 is the better deal. And you can't say because it is bigger. Okay, you can't say that it's got more pepperonis on it. In this case, you're actually going to the information that's telling you that it costs you less per square inch for slice number 2, and therefore, for your money, you're getting more.